Okay, headed out this morning. It's October 3rd, 2021. We're gonna go see, we got a line on some shaggies, which are our favorites. So, we're gonna go get us some shaggies this morning, I hope. And then maybe some bear's head, hawk's wings, pom-poms, chanterelles, white and orange, hopefully. I'm not wait. Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Tell him.
Let's roll.
Yeah, good amount of rain. Might find a shaggy or two up here. We just got started and I got a hawk's wing and a nice, really nice chanterelle. And then my sweet love over here has got some amazing stuff going on. Like the coral ring of sorts. What do you think? Any of those worth picking? They look like fairly freshies.
Looks like, let's check one out. Map like this.
Yeah, check it out and see what, if there's any bugs in them, how fresh they are. Buggy?
Yeah. Look.
Yeah, that's not primo. Usually those, if they're primo, they're the best. Poor man's lobster, but you gotta catch them super early or they're bug filled. Bug field. Beautiful mushrooms though. What do you think? Those look okay.
Yeah.
We'll save those.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the basket. Buggy. Yeah. It's nice and moist, so there's some decent looking fungi. Look at these gray guys. Let's see about getting this guy here. Oh yeah, he looks pretty good. Put him in the basket.
Smell.
Yeah, look at that. Beauty. Beauty.
Holy shit. Good job, love.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, I know.
I got the eye.
Oh, they're gonna be full on popping up. Go there, sweetheart.
Yeah, they're gonna be monsters.
No, this is new.
Oh, these are freshies. Nice. Oh, here.
Okay, sweetheart. What you've got there, sweetie?
Well, these look like some nice freshies here.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, they feel pretty firm.
There's one more here, too.
There's that one. The boys would love these. These are his favorite.
Bug, too. Is it?
Buggy.
Buggy. How
Nope.
about this one here?
They're freshies, but
Oh, there's chanterelle
we're
here.
a bit late.
Oh, chanterelle there. Well, I got a very clear video, sweetheart. I don't.
Yeah, there's some really cool looking. There's a Big Daddy there. Nice. There's a big one. Super huge. Here. Same things. No, there's a group. Trio here. Beautiful. That's not what we're looking for. Oh yeah, it's the perfect time. All right. We're finding lots of mushrooms. We're just getting started, so today is a good day. No huckleberries, it's late. October 3rd, so it's really late. But for shrooms, so this is our haul for the day so far. Few chanterelles, but we've only been out here about 10 minutes. But you can tell here, you know, that there's good shrooms to be had all over. Look at this big mess here. That's beautiful. Completely beautiful. So it's a nice batch. Very beautiful. And then over here, we got another nice spot of corals. And those look primo. Let's see. Oh, I got some bugs on them already. Let's try this guy. He looks good. Very nice. Very nice. Save those guys. Alright, next. Over here, love. I got the basket. I'm exploring. There's some nice ones here. Just not what I'm looking for. They are very nice. Look at that nice guy. Pretty awesome. Just how it goes. Oh, there we go. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. Bingos. Bingos. Oh, there's a nice bingo. Alright. Cool, cool.
Whoa!
Pick those there, would you? Very nice. That'll make a good meal. Wow, that's a good one. Dirty, but good.
It's just dirt.
Sweet. Thank you, love.
Thank you. What?
Sweetheart is on some hawkswing. That's
look.
pretty normal.
Really?
Yeah.
All you need is the...
Yeah, you can just cut
Oh,
that
this one
out.
is fresh. Look at that.
Yeah, looks nice. Perfect.
Holy shit, look at that.
Yeah, crazy mushroom. Cool. That'll be good eating.
I'm gonna try. Orange.
Where? Right there? Maybe. It's yellower. Pick it. See. Don't shoot it. Just pick it. Oh. Oh.
Holy shit, dude. Looks like this is one of the orange kind. Yeah.
Ah, orange. Nice. There's a bunch over here, too. I think they're fake, though. It's worth a check it out, though. Beautiful. Beautiful, love.
It's the orange.
Yeah, let's get some orange going on. Folks, we got the orange. The orange seems to be the primo, more flavorful of the Chantal varieties.
Varieties.
Yes, and we did a blind taste test the other day with our good friends, and that was the conclusion we came to was...
I'm the only one that wants.
Yes, Donna likes the whites more, but you know, we're all different in that way. But the orange are really, really good.
Oh yeah, they're really good. Don't get me wrong.
No, we won't get you wrong. And then what do we got over here? Are these fakes or reals? They're fakes. All fakes. Okay, we're in a different location. This one's a little more moist and shady, and the shrooms are just off the chart. We've seen about probably 40 pounds of corals, which we're good on that, but we're here for the orange chanterelles. But look at these. It's crazy. Like, see a fairy folk out here drinking off the mushrooms. Isn't that crazy? Huge.
I'll take a picture of that. That's beautiful, love.
Yeah, it's nice. Not what we're looking for, but super nice. This one, though, on the other hand, might be one for us. I'm not sure. Tempting. Okay, let's find the orange. Okay, we're out in the sticks. Found a few, and then there's like a nice little guy here. There's some bunches, I'm not sure about those. And then there's a guy over here, right down here as well. It's a pretty nice one. Nicely done. And a few orange chanterelles.
What is this?
I don't know, we'll have to identify it. Wow, that's beautiful. This one's a nice one too, though.
Yeah, I saw that one.
That's a nice one. All right, and then we'll leave a nice little chunk. Beautiful. Very nice. And very nice. Yeah, half a basket. All right, let's keep on going. Right here. Super crazy looking.
Rain.
Kind of, yeah.
Oh, here's another one here. There's another one here like that.
Yeah. Mushrooms all over the place.
Go.
Where? Oh yeah, I see. Another crazy one. Look at this over here. Okay, we're running out of steam. We're still in the thick, finding a few here or there. We'll probably start to make our way out. But first, look at this. So my basket is right there. And then there's pom. Like, this is probably gonna fill our basket. Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at this. It's like pom. But then down in here, it's a big old monster one right there. And who knows on the other end of this log what it's gonna look like. Let's do some harvesting.
Okay, look.
Okay, from there, right? Okay, Pom City here. Pom. Oh, there's another big one over there too. Let's see here. Let's take some pom-poms home for the boys. Pom. We'll leave that little piece. Beautiful. Pom. There's a nice pom. No, that's an old pom. Nice pom.
It's rotten,
It's
slimy.
yeah, it's soaked up too much water. What about this one? Keep that one. Then we have this huge one over here. Piece by piece.
Oh, look at the spider, love.
Pom.
Oh, one looks like old.
It's okay.
Freeze!
Okay, we're heading out of this joint. Trying to get back to the road as it's really thick out here. And then on your way out, we're looking for chanterelles, but also looking above on the trees. Look at this over here. So you know you're in a good spot when you start seeing them. Look at that crazy big mushroom. Crazy big mushrooms, but this is what I'm talking about. It's probably 10 feet up.
Oh my god, look at this color. Why so
Very nice.
Look at the color. Ah!
Would you step on it?
Nee.
Nee.
Fell.
Watch me, nee. Oh yeah, color's crazy. Whoa, look at that. That's ridiculous. I mean, huge, nasty. Those are probably really good mushrooms and we just don't know about them.
Look at the pancake mushrooms.
Okay. When they're taller than you are, you gotta do sticks. So stick time. Wish me luck that I can actually get this guy without destroying it. Because it looks like a really nice freshie. It's gonna be crispy and buttery. Ugh. Oh, I'm starving already. Okay. Let's see here. Almost get it. Part of it.
Is it fresh?
Yeah, it's a freshie. Let's do this. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave that little spot up there to keep on doing its thing. Look at that. Super white, no bugs. I'm in heaven now. Thanks for joining us. It's been a good pick. I'm gonna pick a little further on the way out, but I think we've got our limit. It's gonna take us 3 hours to clean these as it is. Okay, almost to the truck, and my sweet love Donna said, no, let's take this little trail instead of walking on the road. And first thing we come across is pom-pom. Look at that, pom-pom all along here. Nice, freshy, beautiful. And there's a bunch on that side. Get 'em, sweetheart.
And this is medicinal, right? As Brian said.
Yeah, well, yeah. Those and the lion's manes. There's a few of them that are, yeah, supposedly really good for your health. They're sure tasty. Nice. Oh, yeah. Nice find. That's the best find we've got so far. Okay. Oh, dang. Oh, what? Oh, dang. You see those guys. Nice freshies too. I love it. Well, you got a really small window for picking these guys, so we do leave some, but we pick and share with friends and family, you know, share our blessings, because the good Lord has smiled upon us to allow us to get
Yeah, I've
these.
noticed like we're picking and we're just giving them away, but every time we hunt, we always have a lot.
Yeah.
Because we share our blessings. Oh, sorry, love.
It's okay. Okay, let's get this guy here. Look at that one. That's what I love. Our basket's gonna be full. And then this one. It's another nice one. Yeah. Nice freshie. Oh my God, it smells so good.
There's one over there.
Yes.
So while you're filming, sweetheart, have you seen this white dot there? That's to take a picture.
Nice. I did not know that. Okay. And then one more. Let's do this guy over here. Oh, there's one more there. But let's set that there. I'll grab this guy. Thanks for their freshies. Because the freshies is where it's at. Really nice. And then this beauty is over here. Ooh. In this way. Look at that. Holy cow, sweetheart. That's massive. And there's a few on this side, there's one over there. There. This huge guy here. Dun dun. Gonna need a bigger bag, bigger hat. Okay. Beautiful. Push this up a little. There. Okay. There's your shield.
There's one here.
Holy cow. I didn't see that guy. Good eye.
Do I beat you today?
You definitely beat me, love. Definitely beat me. Oh, man. Oh, man. Watch this one.
That's all you've got?
That's it.
Let me show you what else you've got.
Oh, I have all of this. Look. Look at our mother lode today.
Oh, okay, take a picture. Again, again, again. Okay. Good job, sweetie.
All right. Yep. Ah, What a day. Look at that. Basket full, hat full.